became an MP. Today, she is a cabinet minister in the government of the Republic of Kenya. And that tells our women, the sky is the limit. Mujiheshimu na mujiamini. If you look at the Iron Lady, Alice Wahome, siku kilikuwa kimeumana tukiunga rais wetu mkono. Wanaume walikuwa wanatishwa kidogo, wanaweka mkia katikati ya mguu. But our women never ran away from President William Ruto and I. Wamama wetu walisimama kidete. Wanaume walikuwa wanatishwa watashikwa Friday, wanaingia chini ya kitanda. Wengine wanahama wanaenda kukaa kwa mpaka. But our women were strong and steady. And women can be trusted and should be trusted. We have waziri wetu Soipantuya, a girl from the Ma community, a community that had traditions that were not favoring the girl child. Ameenda pale, amesoma, ameweka bidii, amepita vizuri, ameenda high school, ameenda university, amekuwa wakili. Today, she's our Minister for Environment and Climate Change. A month ago, that little Maasai girl performed beyond the expectation by hosting the most successful world conference, the Africa Climate Summit. Soipantuya honored President William Ruto and this country by the successful organization of that conference. If you check at the Honorable Rebecca Meano, the one now who has been appointed as Cabinet Secretary for Investment, Trade and Industry, she has performed exceedingly well and she is shining.